Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to special surgery management of appendicitis. Management of appendicitis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today topic is management of appendicitis. Before this video in appendicitis series, we already studied 4 videos before this video. In first video, we studied the definition and surgical anatomy of appendicitis. In second video, we studied the causes and clinical feature of appendicitis. In the third video, we studied the investigation of appendicitis. In fourth video, we studied the physical examination of appendicitis patient. Now today in last video, we will study the management of appendicitis, which is the final video of appendicitis series. Now today is management of appendicitis. In management of appendicitis, we do appendectomy. What is appendectomy? Surgical removal of appendix is called appendectomy. Means surgical removal of appendix. Now we divide the appendectomy into open appendectomy, laparoscopic appendectomy. In laparoscopic, we give a small incision, but in open appendectomy, the incision is large. Now, first we studied the indication of laparoscopic appendectomy. In which condition we do laparoscopic appendectomy? There are 3 indications. Number 1, children. In children we do laparoscopic appendectomy. Second is pregnant female. In pregnant female we do laparoscopic appendectomy. The third is obese patient. In obese patient we do laparoscopic appendectomy. Now come to the open appendectomy. We made the types of open appendectomy on the basis of incision. There are 4 types of open appendectomy on the basis of incision. Types on the basis of incision. Number 1 is McBurney incision. Number 2, Rutherford Morrison. Number 3, lens incision. Number 4, low midline incision. Now these 4 types of open appendectomy we study now in detail. First is McBurney incision or gridiron or muscle splitting incision. Mean the first incision have 3 name. Number 1, McBurney incision. Why it called McBurney incision? Because we give incision on McBurney point. Second is gridiron incision, the second name. And the third is muscle splitting incision. Mean we split the muscle, we cannot cut the muscle. Now first, McBurney incision or gridiron or muscle splitting incision. First, this red line show abdomen, and this is the umbilicus, this green dot, and this is the ASIS, anterior superior iliac spine. In first video in surgical anatomy, we studied the McBurney point. How we define the McBurney point? From umbilicus toward ASIS, the 2/3 distance from umbilicus to ASIS, the point is called McBurney point. If we move from ASIS to umbilicus, from 1/3 distance from ASIS to umbilicus, the point is called McBurney point. Now in McBurney incision, we give a perpendicular incision to the McBurney point. This is McBurney point, and we give the black, in black color I show the perpendicular incision which make the 90 angle to the McBurney point. This perpendicular incision is called McBurney incision or iron incision or muscle splitting incision. Why? incision give perpendicular to the McBurney point, muscle split but not cut. We split the muscle but not cut the muscle. Therefore, it is called muscle splitting incision. Now, second is Rutherford Morrison or muscle cutting incision. Second name show muscle cutting incision. Mean in this incision we cut the muscle but not split the muscle. Now, Rutherford Morrison is in Rutherford Morrison incision we extend the same McBurney incision. This is McBurney incision which is perpendicular to the McBurney point. We extend the McBurney incision in upward direction. Mean Rutherford Morrison incision is the extension of McBurney incision in upward and lateral direction. Not only in upward, also in lateral direction. This is the extension which I show by another line. This is the extension of McBurney incision which is I represented by R, the extra line called Rutherford Morrison or muscle cutting incision. Why called muscle cutting? Because we cut the two type of muscle. Number one, cut internal oblique and transverse abdominis muscle. It is extension of McBurney incision in upward and lateral direction. Not only in upward, also in lateral direction. Mean Rutherford Morrison or muscle cutting incision is the extension of McBurney incision. The third is lens incision or horizontal incision. Its second name show horizontal incision. The first two incision, McBurney incision and Rutherford Morrison incision, is the perpendicular incision, but the lens incision or the horizontal incision is the horizontal incision, not perpendicular incision. Now in lens incision or horizontal incision, this is the umbilicus. 2 mm below to umbilicus, we give horizontal incision parallel to abdominal crease. This is called horizontal incision. Horizontal incision is give below 2 mm to umbilicus but parallel to abdominal crease. Why parallel to abdominal crease? Because it is indicated in female for aesthetic purpose. When we give incision parallel to abdominal crease, then this incision will be not show, and it will be good for aesthetic of female. Like if female belong to celebrity or female is model, if we give perpendicular incision, then this perpendicular incision will be show. But if we give the horizontal incision and parallel to abdominal crease, then it will be show, and this will be good for its aesthetic. Mean lens incision or horizontal incision is indicated in female for aesthetic, which is given below 2 mm to umbilicus. The third is lower midline abdominal incision. Now its name show. First is abdominal incision, we give in abdomen this incision. Second is lower, mean in lower region of abdomen. The third is midline, mean in lower midline region of abdomen we give the incision called lower midline abdominal incision. Now this is abdomen, this is the lower region of abdomen, and this is the midline of abdomen. This incision is known as lower midline abdominal incision. In which condition we give lower midline abdominal incision? In pelvic appendix. If the tip of appendix are present in pelvic region, then we give lower midline abdominal incision, and also lower midline abdominal incision is indicated in obese patient also. Now these are the 4 types of incision on the basis of types of open appendectomy and the basis of incision: McBurney incision, Rutherford Morrison, lens incision, and lower midline abdominal incision. Now today our today we studied the management of appendicitis, appendectomy, and then we divide the appendectomy into open appendectomy, laparoscopic appendectomy. Then we studied the indication of laparoscopic appendectomy, and then we studied the types of appendectomy and the basis of incision in detail. Now today our topic is complete, and also our appendicitis series also complete. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.